Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay papunta tayo dito sa Maytisco. Kaya samahan niyo ako, let's go! Alright guys, so ngayon mamimili tayo. Mamimili tayo dito sa Tisco. Mamimili tayo dito sa Tisco guys. Yan o. Crystal want to buy a flower. Ayan. What flower you want to buy? The small one?
He said like light pink.
Light pink. This one?
No, that's dark.
Light. This one? Light pink.
Light pink. Is there any more? Light pink.
Like no, only that one. Or this one?
No,
Bright.
that's purple. Light pink.
Yeah, that one is fine.
This one's fine. Oh,
Too big. Too big. That one is alright.
this is pink.
Yeah. Is that pink or this one is pink?
I think that one. This one's here.
Yeah. Okay. That's pink. That's light pink.
Pink and white.
Okay. Okay. That's it. You put here. Okay. Now we're going here to look. I need to buy sorry. I need to buy this one. That's it. I want this one. Why only 4? Ang daming mga watermelon. Which one? Yeah? Yeah. Watermelon. Ang daming mga fruits dito guys. Oh. Ganda ng fruits. I love this fruit.
I'm tired today.
Okay. Yeah. Where's the chicken? You need to buy a chicken. There's chicken here or the other side? The other side.
I think it is.
Chicken here guys.
Daddy, meals up here.
No. This is the chicken.
He likes being on the road.
Chicken. What chicken?
I don't know that.
Chicken wings.
Just got to go through that first section.
Right. Yan. I buy a chicken and then I buy whole chicken. Chicken here. Yeah. One more chicken. Alright. Okay. That's it now. There's a lot of chicken now. 2 chicken. chicken wings.
Is that everything?
Yes. Look, yeah. Look if there is, oh sorry. Tignan nyo guys, ang mga chicken dito guys. Oh. Tignan nyo ang chicken dito guys, ang free range guys. Oh. Free range nila, magkano? 12 pound 18. Wow. Ang kilo niya ay 1.6, 12 pound 18 ang price niya. Ayan. I look somewhere. Other side? Yeah. Dock. May dock. Pato guys, oh, pato. 7.55. Isang pack. Dito tayo. Ito guys, oh, ready for ready for barbecue na. Ready now. Barbecue chicken kebab. 8 pound. 2 for 8 pound. Ako na lang magmarinate. Di ba? Kaliit lang 'yon. Tingin tayo ng lamb. Masarap ang lamb. Bakit ganito? Ayun. May nakita ako guys. Lamb ba yan? Ito. 14 pounds. Hindi naman. Manx lamb. Mahal. Tingnan tayo ng iba. Dito. Meron dito. Ay, doon sa kabila. Dito guys. Dito. Magkano to? Kalit-lit. 10 pounds. Liit naman. Dito. Itong isa. 15 pounds. Mahal talagang turkey akon guys. Lamb. Alright. Yun lang, tama na yun. Alright. Dito tayo. Hanap tayo ng kwan. Asin, meron ako doon. Paprika. Pang barbecue. Barbecue Yorkshire pudding mix. Ito. Pak. Gravy, black pepper, cumin, salt and pepper chicken. Salt and pepper. Hindi. Anong peri-peri, garlic, barbecue ito. Ito guys, oh, barbecue. Ito ang kunin natin. Sweet and sticky barbecue. Ano tayo ng iba? Bag bake. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Lagyan natin ng isang ganito. Ayan o. Barbecue. Sweet and sticky. Yan, yun yan. Okay. Alright. Yeah.
Yeah?
Ako ng kuan guys, sabon. Yung pangligo. Dove or yeah. Oh, there. Dito pala guys. Kuha ako ng kuan. Palmolive. Isang Palmolive. Itong ano to, Dove. Isang Palmolive lang. Saka ito, one Dove. Ito lang. Isa lang. Di ba? Alright guys. Ayan na. Dito tayo magbayad tayo dito guys. Okay. Ito, babayaran natin ito. Hello.
Hello, you're right.
Yeah. Take me a bud. Take me a big.